In the study guide, it says to use synthetic division to find the quotient. Remember, long division is where we say x minus 2 goes into, and then we'll write it all out from there. Synthetic is where we are going to just put our coefficients. So if we have x minus 2, then a way we can think about it is x minus 2 equals 0. So x minus 2 equals 0. If we add 2 to both sides, x equals 2. So 2 minus 2 equals 0. So we put a 2 here, and I put it in a little box. I'm sorry, let me pull this over for you. Then from there, I write my coefficients in descending order, keeping in mind I need to put placeholders if anything is missing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're good. So I will have 1, negative 5, 7, negative 8, and 1. I'll bring down my first term. Now I'll multiply 2 by what was brought down. That gives me 2. I will add these two numbers together now. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. Now I'll multiply 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. I will add these, and it's going to be that same pattern. Add, sum, multiply, put that here, add, sum, multiply, and then put the product here. So 7 plus negative 6 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus negative 8 is negative 6. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. Plus 1 is negative 11. I always put that last part in a little box so that I know that is going to be my remainder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually work from right to left. I know that this is going to be plus negative 11 over x minus 2. Or I could have known it was minus 2 because of this 2 right here. If this is positive, then this will be the opposite. Then I've got negative 6, which is my constant. I've got x. This will be x squared, and this will be x to the third. So it always goes remainder, constant, x, x squared, x to the third. If there was more, x to the fourth, x to the fifth. It's always going to move that way. So that's 1x, which was positive. This will be a negative 3x squared, and this will be a positive x cubed. So that will be my final answer. X cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus 6 plus negative 11 over x minus 2. For number 2, we'll do the same thing. If x plus 3 equals 0, then we will be using negative 3. Then I will write my coefficients going in descending order. Do you notice that I have an x cubed but no x squared? We can think of it as having a plus 0 x squared here. So it goes 3, 0, negative 2, and 1. I'll bring my 3 down. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 times, or I'm sorry, I need to add these. 0 plus negative 9 is negative 9. Negative 9 times negative 3 is positive 27. 27 plus negative 2 is 25. 25 times negative 3 is negative 75. When I add these together, I get negative 74. My last piece goes into a box. So this will be my remainder, constant x, x squared. So plus negative 74 over x plus 3. And this will be a positive 25. This will be my x term. And this will be x squared. If it helps you to write constant below x and x squared so you can keep it straight, you can do that as well. And whatever is in your box will always be your remainder. Now, I'm asked to use long division. I'll make a new video for long division.